In our previous videos, we had completed data fundamentals for AI, data plus AI plus CRM quick look, prompt fundamentals. So in this video, we'll be quickly jumping into our badge named as prompt builder basics. So we'll just click on this get to know prompt builder. Here we have a set of instructions or a quiz which we have to attend in order to collect this particular badge. How do specificity and context impact prompt response? They enhance the output by tailoring it to your requirements. They lead to predictable. I think the C is a proper answer for it. Which prompt templates type assists in generating personalized emails for customers? I think sales email prompt templates. Yes, we have successfully completed one of our sub badge. We'll just quickly jump into our next sub badge, which is called as create and ground the prompt templates. I think this is about grounding techniques. So true or false? Grounding is a technique which is used to provide context and specificity to prompt response, which is true. Which of the following is a resource that you can use to merge data into a sales email prompt template? I think that is a grounding or a record. Maybe. I think yeah, ChatGPT 4 prompt. Not even that. Okay. I think it is a record because from the record basis only we just pull our. Yeah, I think it's receipt. It is not the grounding technique. It's a recipient because recipient only is required to merge the data. We'll quickly jump into our next unit. What is required to create field generation prompt template using prompt builder? I think template name and object both. So that is A and C. What type of flow do you use with a field generation prompt template? I think it is a field prompt template flow. Hopefully. Nope. I think it is a template triggered prompt flow. Yes, we have successfully completed our third subunit as well. We'll just quickly jump into our last subunit in order to receive this prompt builder basic badge, whose name is review, revise, and save the prompt templates. When reviewing a prompt response, which consideration ensures accuracy and avoid including unintended information? I think it is factual accuracy. What are the two prompt builder features that allows you to allow users to preview the prompt response? I think result prompt and response. Yes, we have successfully completed and received this prompt builder basics badge.